Right guys, we're back on the scene here. We're back on the scene here. We're going on to back shop. Right? The other ones?
I send you the message.
Yeah, come and tell me.
I sell it.
Hi guys, so we want you to back shop in our vehicle, right? We're gonna show that step by step how to do that. Quick and easy work. You know we don't about anything, that's just about cooking, right? So we done with these two chicken, we come downstairs. It's a rainy day. Very rainy day. It's raining all over. Right, so we have the tools here. This is Maxi boy here. This is Snowman brother. Hey Max. Come. Hey Maxi boy. You're a bit little lonely. So we have him, we don't have him in the cage. We only put him in the cage because we open the gate now. But we just have him, we all on the step running upstairs there. So we leave him on your own what you want to do. Max, you going to go? Max, quiet. Hi guys, so we'll be back shortly. Alright, so you are Randall on the scene here. This is the man. This man can do little major, little minor suspension, not minor suspension, but all suspension work. And he's not in the field of mechanic anymore. Eh? He works in AC company. He's a repair services in an AC company.
Why? I never done it anyway.
So you're taking out changing to back shop.
Uncle, you gotta get one of this.
What?
Alan, kiss it.
You gotta buy anil.
Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No matter how much you done it, you know.
Like Puran tools.
I Puran Tools. Check them out guys. I've got tools place on the Escuro main road opposite Goose Lane. You see that 3-story building on your right hand side heading Escuro. 610-2575 is his number. Check out this page on Facebook also guys. Real tools. When I tell you tools, real tools. Name the tool you have it. So you can check him out also hardware items that he have on him. So check it out. We just buy a lot of tools. I'm a cousin but we just buy a lot of tools. Tools is good quality and very good price. I will share one of the tools I bought from him also. Is a monster tool. So this video is to show you guys, and this tool is a cordless impact driver. I will share the power that I have in it just now, guys. So stay tuned. We're gonna get some tools there. Real tools, guys. Compressor, thing, welding plan, everything. Chainsaw, everything. So we had all these tools because of the truck here. So they really truck this pack up here. This is the truck here. As my truck guys, San Andrea running. Where to get there again?
21 socket.
21. Look on the top of the cabinet, Ramesh. The impact set. Here. We're going to cut the wheel.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is the tool I'm telling you about, the monster tool. It is a monster tool, a Milwaukee cordless. Right? Here, I'll take this here. See me top here. Okay. Right? Just 1, 2, 3. That's real power. And that is like most size 1400 foot-pounds. 3/4 inch drive. This tool guys. This can take out that chuck nut. That chuck nut you see in there, take out all that chuck nut. It in seconds. That is why I bought it for the truck. Alright guys, so this is the socket you're using there. Remember that thinner socket for the rim and the ordinary impact socket, right? What you work this do? Don't let it run out too much, eh? See that guys? So this gun, you can jacket doing wrong for the arm, pay the steering. Ramesh take a piece of wood from under and check the front wheel. You don't need to really keep it jacked down. This tool guys, this is why I bought at Puran Tools and Hardware. Right? You know the big machine that is using the tire shops and them? I think they say that is 1200 foot-pound for the trucks and them. This one is 1400 foot-pound. It's really powerful. It's a nice piece of tool if you do mechanic work on it. Trust me, it comes with 2 batteries. As a Milwaukee brand. And the brushless everything, so it's real powerful. Let's show you again. This is speed 2 and not speed 3. That 19 I feel it.
I was bringing 19 in.
It's not small on this side.
Oh, no, use that. That's going to go somewhere in that.
No, they got
Oh,
21
here's
socket.
19.
Oh, it's up
He's
there.
not smaller. The 19. That's
Let's show
what
the
they
power
have.
this one. This one
The 19
speed 2. You see it highlighted in 2. Like that 3 and then the next one is the most power at all. Okay, then you go see how this one work. This is the most power. It's slow but real power. Might have a ring lock in it, eh? Don't come with the ball again. It's slow Randall, so you could see how fast. Real power. Hi guys, so stay tuned. We're going to take out the 2 wheels now. We'll show you how to change the back shock on the vehicle. Now the back shock to change this is similar to all the rest of vehicles, eh?
Yeah. Just 2 knobs on top, 1 bolt on underneath.
Right. So we're going to show you that just now, guys. So some of you ladies who probably want to change your back shock in your vehicle could probably try it. It's not hard at all. So the guys who don't know how to change it, we're going to show you. We're just trying to do all the little small work ourselves. And then refrain from us going outside on the road like because of this COVID thing now. So, right? Stay tuned. Okay, running only not on here now. And then you taking PJ?
Hmm?
You taking PJ?
I'm going to ready. So no, yeah, we'll do it fair.
You said you know you're going to do it fair. But you can probably do it for the subscribers and them, eh?
Yeah.
Right?
19 spanner, 19 socket.
Right, folks, so you're going to show you one that you have to take out now?
That 1 bolt are not right here underneath.
Right.
Just this bolt to come out and then that 2 nuts coming up inside.
Right.
Now come to the back seat here. Comes like the back seat, they take out the cover. Just 1 nut here, 1 nut here to take off. And the shock just go drop down and you pull it out and put in a new one after.
That is all?
And that is all.
So you're saying this is 2 nuts, this one here.
2 nuts with the
This
bolt
bolt
on
that
it.
start was coming up there and one on that side, right?
Yeah, 1 here, 1 here.
Right, and the one to the bottom, that hole in here.
Yeah,
With the socket on here right now.
yeah, with the socket on right now. And that is it.
On the brakes, right, looking like.
And that is only if you get it complete with the spring.
Yeah.
Right, so
So
that's
you
it.
can get the spring, then you have to get the spring clamp to take out the spring and thing, and then put back the spring after when you new one.
Okay, alright. Alright guys, so you see, well he buy it for news. So you say for news is the better way people recommend them. And so that's just 1 bolt on at the bottom and the 2 on top. And you go drop down. You take out that, we go show you how we drop it down, right? So you take out the 2 stud here. Right? Alright.
Yeah.
That's how we take out the 2 here. Then the 1 on the back underneath it.
Now I'm going to
You
see
shockanize it.
You want this one looking.
So you pull it out.
So go with the go, man. I say.
You give it a shake it and it drop. Now I tell you, she's real fast. You say by the complete shock and spring, eh? If it does by the shock, you got to use spring clamp to bring it on back. Look at it, right beside right where the shock was bolt on.
You hold on better. Yeah, because it's heavy original. Right? But if you substitute shock with a bar, it don't hold on long, but if you have it one heavy, it's 10 years, then I know. I think I will buy it for you. So that's the cost of the that's how
I just need trouble getting it out, right? It come out. Alright, so you see that nut? It's how simple it is, guys. So you go to the bamboo and you want to change your shock and your very complete like that, right? Line it up and make sure it's correct, eh? Alright, you bought this one for news. I always say the foreign is the better one also, eh? And you just take on the two stud on top, you bolt to the bottom here, and that's it, and you pull it out and you put it, you put it back the same way. You have to touch no suspension or nothing like that. Right? Alright guys, you paint it back here. Pass it the same way. Push it up back to here. Swing goes.
here.
Hey guys, again, our problem to bring you something. We just want to press this suspension down a little bit. Again, and you press like this. Try again. Is the problem there?
This arm here, this how the spring going up and down, right?
Yeah.
So when you take out this arm here, this arm will drop down more.
Okay, okay.
You understand now?
And not all vehicles come with this?
No. Some vehicles just come with the shocks right here, 2 bolts, sometimes 1 bolt, and then 2 nuts. The newer vehicles and them just come with more suspension and thing, more arms.
Like stabilizers and things?
Yeah.
Alright. When you go take up down, you go sell goes.
Like because the vehicle heavy.
Yeah, because a heavy vehicle, you're correct. There's the Honda CRV, guys. So, there's a heavy vehicle in for it. Alright guys, so we take all the stabilization bar here, we set it down, and we shove one up inside. Right? Catching the 2 nut here now. A ramish on the scene. Man like to be on camera at all, boy. Right, so simple, just a little, every vehicle build different. So this stabilization bar we now take out here, and the whole suspension drop down. We ain't throw off the alignment, nothing like that. We ain't throw off the alignment, anything. It's just a bolt back, razor back, and hold the stabilization back. Touching on the bolt there. Right guys, so right when it's a little strange, it's just we try new things. Not trying new things, sorry. We just doing new things so you all just see. You know, we're not just about cooking, we're not just about everything. Everything daily activities we are about. So anything we do it, we try to showcase once it's a learning experience. We will try to show you once it's something new to you. Some of you guys will be watching but we realize, well, you know how to do it, so we're just showing you a different way to do it. So ladies and all who carry a shock to change by somebody, you know, you could know it's not no big set of work, so they can't overcharge you. It's not supposed to be so overpriced. If there's something quick to do, you don't tell you leave your vehicle as a whole day work, don't think that mama guy talk. Right? I'll show you an easy step. It probably take about 15 minutes to change one. Right guys? So stay tuned. Let's start up the truck already. Truck didn't start for about going on 2 weeks, it didn't start. So start up the bill of beer and battery and all that. Alright guys, we go back and make the last thing tighter. Right, and that's it for the shock day. How much tools required?
17 and 19.
A 17 and 19
And a 14.
and a 14. A 17 spanner, 19 spanner and a 14 spanner. Socket, some socket, some spanner. If you have a power tools will make it work real easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one go tighten real good. I drop back this power, because this will ring out the nut. The more built for truck nuts now. So put it on 2, you will leave it on 2. So it's probably about Probably about £8 it is. £8 the gun is. She guys invest in one of this who are like who does fix plenty vehicles and truck and thing and they invest in one of this. A real amazing piece of tool. I'll get the model number on it. This is serial number here. Serial number. Guys, guys, that's true. Next side now. Hey guys, you see about the other side, you know, the right side. Same procedure. And then on the scene. He don't cook. He things he like to do. He even cook. He go help out.
I will cook for myself.
You cook for yourself. I know you man and settle long yet, you know. You take out that stabilization, buddy. We take out the shock and show you. Alright, so we take out the two nuts on this side. This side completely already. Papa Van need a vacuum in. You now see body back mat here. This man like to clean the van at all, you know. Keep out the stabilization, buddy. Now bully bowl for the shock already? Go on. How quick that was, guys? We now come on this side. And the first part is always the hardest one. Yeah, Papa relaxing there, drinking a Malta.
Yeah, I'm all drinking.
Watching the van fix. Just relaxing. Ramesh. Randall. Like wifey now wake up. Wifey when I sleep.
I want to charge up for later.
Wifey that's soup chicken and kalalu. I when I sleep but I want to have to push it to sleep. So she prime her back for later. She prime her back for later for Polori.
Yeah. Banana Rusha, maybe.
Done away?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so the next clip going to be Polori. We're going to do this preview for the Polori. So we're going to do some Polori. We're going to make some akra too, some saltfish in it and show you that step-by-step remedy. The girl who make the aloo pie, she making the Polori and the akra. Right? I could do it, trust me, I could do it. But my mom does do it very good too. So we just get she recipe all the time also. You know, get to bring in a extra hands to different recipe, you know, different way people let's cook. You all guys, the customer the way I just cook already, so we're gonna show you the different methods, right? So we are Randall finishing up here. Randall fix that side in about 10 minutes, you know.
Sure, on this one you draw.
No, he do now start here.
Oh, okay.
Where Ellie's sleeping? Alright, so I want to send some shout out and all in this video and all also. Send some shout outs and all and I try to just be list of names without a shout out. Hey guys? I remember just now. There's a lot of you guys, so as much as I could remember, I could try to remember. If you didn't hear your name called in this video, you'll hear your name surely on the next video again. Bigfoot? You deal with Bigfoot boy, crowbar. Randall tell him how you deal with Bigfoot dog. Crowbar, eh?
Yeah, everything.
You don't eat pork, so you're a crowbar. Hey guys, you about the shock day? About this, tight mark everything and that's it. Hey guys, we got here, bolt in our back. That's it. Done there, Anil?
Yeah.
Right. Hey guys, see how simple it is to change our shock and spring. Learn no mechanic. That's it. Had the honest mechanics that will do it. Real nice, well quick and nice at a reasonable price. So we just do a lot of we work home. Let us share a little idea what it is. My if you come now back, you swear she fixing van, you know.
I supervising.
Swear she fixing van.
I supervising, make sure I do good.
Mm-hmm. Where's I tightening up there?
I'm not.
I'm not, eh?
Is that coconut?
I went with a coconut or it was a...
That I found in your shop.
Nah, the extra parts. Monked up and you end up with extra parts.
I got the old one.
I want the old shocks, guys. Just kidding.
They found in your shop.
The extra parts?
They start for the shop, but they cut out. And they just take it on the shop.
Uh-huh. I got powerful in a dog. Hey guys, until our next edition again, tell them we out.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Be safe. Sanitize. Wear your mask up.
Hi guys, we're gonna do some pillory. We're gonna do some pillory now. So look out for that clip also and all. Pillory and akra with some chutney and it. Right? We remedy, we style, we method. Stay tuned guys.